To other news now, concern from policymakers and other stakeholders that cybercrimes against banks and their customers could derail the country's push to become a digital society. The debate comes just a day after local banking giants NCB revealed some of its customers were scammed millions of dollars by cyber criminals. We have more in this primetime news follow-up from Dwayne Anderson.
What comes to public attention is just the tip of the iceberg.
Investment banker turned lawmaker Peter Bunting delivering a grim message to Jamaicans about the incidence of online scams against banks and their customers. The issue is now at the forefront of many people's minds after the National Commercial Bank NCB indicated that some of its customers fell prey to cybersecurity attacks. The bank said over the last 10 days, about $17 million had been stolen from some customers. While not speaking to the NCB case specifically, Mr. Bunting explained that banks will try to protect their reputations and not give an accurate figure publicly about how many of their customers have been scammed online. It is why he wants the state to demand the data from the banks so that the public is not kept in the dark.
We should consider whether there should be some obligation for reporting, even in an anonymous way, say to, Bank of Jamaica, for example, so that we could see the aggregate figures, not just the ones that go to court.
The technology minister, Derail, agreed.
I think that should be pursued because obviously we are only getting what comes out in the public domain.
The lawmakers are members of the Joint Select Committee of Parliament studying the country's Cybercrimes Act. The group expressed confidence that the current laws are adequate to deal with the online threats outlined in the NCB case.
The ministry and the technical team is of the view that the existing legislation can in fact address what is considered to be phishing.
Where such cases are prosecuted, there have been some level of success, and certainly within the banks themselves, there have been some levels of successful remediation because the audit trail that is left is one that can be followed.
The lawmakers, however, accepted that the situation will lead some people to again question the country's push to become a digital society where more business transactions are done online.
There were persons who actually said that it's somehow the government's fault. It's the government's fault because the government is pushing everybody online and the government is talking about digital society.
The banks have a fundamental responsibility to educate their customers against these occurrences. And so that is one of the things that I would want to strongly recommend, given these scenarios, as policy directives out of these financial institutions.
Technology Minister Derail added that a state-led campaign is coming to help make people more aware of the benefits of doing business online.
Unless we get them on, then we're not going to have a successful transformation or transition. And therefore, there has to be a part of government doing a public education and public relation campaign sustained.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.